Very successful. I hope everyone had a great day celebrating the river. And it has been my honor to be participating in this today. I actually found some rhythm. I'm Catholic. Somebody doesn't know how to count. I'd like to introduce the head of our drum circle for today. She's going to explain what we just did as you paddled in.
We sang and we drummed. And what it is it's a welcoming rhythm from Africa, from Liberia. And when one tribe went to visit another tribe in the village, they wanted to make sure they knew they came in peace. So they would say, Bunga Alakia, and then the receiving tribe would say, Ashe, Ashe, peace. So I just think of the history of the waterways, you know, and so it's an honoring and it's a way of announcing the